So as summer quickly approaches, we're going to be spending a lot more time outside. We have to decorate that outside area. What better way than with something kind of punny? Today, we're going to be doing something I found on Pinterest a while ago that really piqued my interest. Especially since we got Father's Day coming up. It might be a really cool idea to do for your father, or uncle, or I don't know. Anybody that you're not even a guy. I mean, it could be anybody. Who cares, you know, right? This is a cool little project I found on Pinterest, like I said. The things we're going to be using today, we've got an old pallet that I was able to rework and create type of like a kind of like a board. I'm sure I'll do some videos in the future about how to actually make this. So the things we're going to need today, very simple. We're going to need some screws. We've got some iron flanges, some iron nipples, and some sprinkler heads, but not really. Faucet heads? I don't know. You know, like the faucet heads, you know. Hose bibs, maybe. Maybe? I don't know. Bibs? Weird name. Bibs. 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 Sounds weird when you say bibs. Okay. We've got our pieces all here. And what you're going to do is, as you can see here in this completed one, we're going to simply take our flanges, we're going to screw in the nipples, and then screw on the bibs. And then we're going to simply bolt them down onto the board, and then we'll finish it off with something cool. Little artwork piece thing up here. Like I said, in the pin you'll be able to hang spatulas, different grill stuff outside. I mean, you can use it for anything, but it's supposed to give it that outdoor feel. Don't wanna complicate you. Okay, so we finished the minor details. We did some of the accent work around the letters. Now, you're ready to give this away. Another useless craft? Maybe. I don't know. Came out pretty cool and looks kind of like the pin did, so you did a pretty good job. I'll give this thing away and hopefully somebody will hang it up in their backyard or throw it away. Or it'll just sit in somebody's garage until, I don't know. Thanks again for stopping by. Remember to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit that alert button. This way, anytime I upload a video, you automatically know about it. It's a win-win. So do it.